How are we, YouTube? George here. Hope you're all well and happy. Lorcan sent me this President George quite a while back, and I said I better do something with it. So the radio came here. I just only unboxed it today, 7th of July. I'm unsure as to how long it's here, but it's here quite a while. So the story is that he said the S meter does not work, but he said it did on AM and FM, but I can't see it working anywhere. I have an idea what's wrong with that. He also said the two-color display is not working. Now we'll have to have a look at this, because I can see it. Yeah, I'm trying to do this one-handed now. You can see it's red there. There's green, so I don't know. There's something not right somewhere. So we'll have to see what way it's done. Don't know about that now. We'll just have to see what happens. So let's see. It's green there, and it's orange there. So there's something not right here, because you'd imagine that the orange would be on when the orange screen is lit up. So there's something not right there somewhere. So anywho, we'll pull it asunder and see what the story is. Okay, so I'm about halfway through here. I have it tuned and the whole lot. Now, what's going on here, I'm not exactly sure, but an awful lot of the functions regarding the meter don't work. The only thing that does work is the RF meter going out. The SWR bridge doesn't appear to be working. You can't flick between the different modes, to calibrate the SWR, etc, etc. So between that and the lighting that's not working, would suggest to me that there's something seriously amiss on the back of the board for the display. Most likely an IC or something gone. So I rang Lorcan and had a bit of a chat with him, and we kind of came to the conclusion, well, it's not really worth putting that much effort into it. So the radio works perfectly, really nice radio, works really well, with the exception of that. So what I suggested to him was that I could get an external signal meter to work, and I've just jerry-rigged here with test leads at the minute. So I have this meter here. If somebody would talk now, that'd be great. We'll show it to you later on with the signal generator anyhow. But what I'm going to do is, I have a case here from one of the old the frequency counter I put in the Super Snake there. So I have to calibrate this. I have a little trimmer and all for it. So anyhow, what we're going to do is we're going to put it in there. And what I done was I got one of the actual glass that goes in the front of those displays, scribed around it on a piece of sheet aluminum or aluminium, depending on which side of the Atlantic you're on. And just gave it a shot of black paint, so waiting for that to dry, and we can put it together. I fully went through the alignment procedure. There was a couple of KCs out, but we've that all sorted out now, and done to the specification lined out in the service manual. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attach this to the bottom of the radio and make it like it'll be like a stand on the bottom of the radio, for want of a better word. And Lorcan's good with that, so it'll be hardwired into the radio. And yeah, we'll come back when we have that done. Right, we're done. Quite pleased with that now, it came out well. This is just repurposed FC347 frequency counter housing. She's all cleaned up, switches done, alignment done. Secret sauce, new torque screws, cleaned the mic as well, the secret sauce brought up like new, and gave the PTT switch a shot of cleaner. So yeah, she's good to go and working well. I suppose we better bang it on the dummy load and show you what's going on there. Right, so we have her on AM here. We're on the dummy load. You can see here the meter works on transmit but not on receive. I had a consult with Ray about this, and we both kind of came up with the same conclusion. It could be CPU related. So like I said in the earlier portion of the video, the radio works perfect, so I would be reluctant to go pulling at it in case you cause some other problem. But yeah, so on the dummy load, we're on AM. Fanny's old meter here. Not bad. And FM, I'm not used to this thing at all now. Where are we? Mode. Oh, just stop that. 10 watts. We'll go to SSB, press and hold. USB. Pegging the meter, so let's see. Probably about 20 watts. I thought a bit more now. 3 1969s in this, one driving two, so it could be turned down a bit, but it'll go forever at that stage of the game. And as I say to everybody, no point in squeezing another 3 or 4 watts out of your radio. The person on the other end will not notice any difference. Go off and buy yourself a 200 watt amp, and then they'll notice some difference. So we'll go to LSB. A lot of that could be the microphone. Have I an adapter here? We'll put a power mic on it. Put the static, the M6 on it and see. Hang on. No, I thought I had an adapter that would have suited that, but I don't. But I'd say with a decent microphone on it, she'd probably put out a bit more power, alright. Drive the PA stage on a bit harder in it. But as I said, it'll be reliable at that, and that's what you want. It's a nice tidy radio. I think he picked it up on eBay, and it's got my name on it. How about that? I've never actually had one of these. I've had a few of them here before doing stuff with them, but I never actually had one. I'll have to buy one at some stage for the crack, just because my name is on it. So Lorcan, she is ready for road, and I hope you're happy with it. And this, the way that this, it doubles as a stand. It's actually bolted to the bottom lid. So and there's enough cable left on it, Lorcan, that you can take, if you flip the radio on its back, you can take the cover off and leave the cover down beside it. I'll just show you that now actually. So there you go, you can take the lid off and you have enough cable that you can leave the lid beside it and do whatever you want to do. And yeah, there we go. We'll have a look, see now, can we get a little bit more power over it. Yeah, so that's it, Lorcan. I turned up the ALC a little there, so she's just tipping 20 watts on sideband now. So as I said, a decent microphone. With a decent microphone, it'll probably do a bit more. The whole of France is on today, again. So there you go. Hope you're happy with it, Lorcan, and we'll get it boxed up and sent back to you as soon as possible. So 73, thanks for watching, and we'll get you in the next one. Bye bye.